with our topic of the same chapter, evolution of computer, IT inventions. The word computer was first used in 1613 to describe a human to perform the calculation or computation. Computer means to compute, it means only a calculation. So these are the different inventors who have invented the lots of things. As very well we know about Charles Babbage. He was the father of computer and English mathematicians. He invented the different engine, analytical engines, etc. Next is the Lady Ada Lovelace. She was born on 1815 and death is 1852. Augusta Ada Baron. She was an English mathematician and writer also. She had also been called the world's first computer programmer. Next is the George Boole. He was a mathematician and the philosopher of George. He was born on the 2nd November 1815 in England. Next is the Dr. Herman Hollerith. He was born on February 29, 1860 in New York. He was an American inventor who developed an electromagnesia punch card tabulator. Next is John von Neumann. He was born on the December 28, 1903 in the Budapest, Hungary. He was an Hungarian American mathematician. He made the major contribution in the number of fields. So these were about the different inventors who have invented the different things, and they were the mathematicians and the philosopher, writers, etc. Next we continue with our topic, generation of computer. There are the 5 generations of computers, and today's scenario we are using the 5th generation of computer. First generation of computer was developed in the session of 1942 to 55. The circuitry uses vacuum tubes. Data input operations, punch card. Output punch card as a main storage. External the magnetic tape and user machine assembly. In the second generation in 1956 to 63, they used the transistor and input the same one, the punch cards and the magnetic tape as a data output, and the external also storage also they use a magnetic tape and punch card respectively. Next in the third generation 1964 to 71, they use an integrated circuit. For the input they use a keyboard as we are also using, and the monitor for the output, as very well we know that monitor is an output device. For the external storage they use a magnetic disk. In the fourth generation they are using the microprocessor. As very well you also are using the microprocessor chip also. Input as a keyboard, mouse and scanner etc, which you are also using, and in the form of output they are also using the same monitor and printer, and the storage device magnetic disk with a higher capacity. Last not the least, 5th generation of computer, they are using the artificial intelligence, and for the input optical fiber technology to handle the artificial intelligence capacity to think and give the reasons also. And the languages they are using, they can understand the human speech and recognize a pattern like the faces and other complex images. As very well we understand and use the Google also, means for the internet. I think you are all are aware that when you are using the internet, means when you are using the application Google, you can just give the voice talk also, you can give the written text also, and you will just find the easily your answers. This is all about the chapter. Thank you.